गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर शर्मा। ये वाला जो वीडियो है, चेंजेस हुए हैं कुछ, आपको पता है बायोलॉजी के सिलेबस में। आई वांटेड टू यूज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। काफी सारे बच्चों ने पूछा कि सर इसका इम्प्लीकेशन क्या है, जरा समझा दीजिए। एंड आई थॉट हु इज बेटर देन यू टू डू दिस फॉर अस। सो सर, मैं आपसे स्टार्ट कर इस चीज से करना चाहता था। मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता था कि इज इट अ वेलकम स्टेप? ये जो सिलेबस रिडक्शन हुआ है, अच्छा है, खराब है? आपका क्या नजरिया है? व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट इट?
देखिए कपिल, वी आर लिविंग इन वेरी अनसर्टेन टाइम्स. नोबडी हैज एनी प्रेडिक्टिव वैल्यू हियर. कोई भी आदमी प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकता कल क्या होगा. फियर, एंजाइटी और ये जो नेगेटिव इमोशंस हैं ये बड़े खतरनाक होते हैं, वेरी डेट्रीमेंटल.
करेक्ट.
और बच्चे अगर इस एनवायरनमेंट में बड़े होंगे, ये देश का भविष्य है. सो इट वाज नॉट अ वेरी वेरी गुड थिंग हैपनिंग टू देम. So it's a very very welcome step. Reduction of the syllabus, I wholeheartedly welcome this. More importantly, I was pleasantly surprised by the rapidity or immediateness of the uploading of the syllabus after giving the students that the 30% syllabus will be reduced. तो जब उन्होंने अनाउंस किया कि 30% सिलेबस रिड्यूस करेंगे, तो विद इन 24 आवर्स और 36 आवर्स, इफ आई एम करेक्ट, वो अपलोडेड सिलेबस आ गया, शायद इससे भी जल्दी. That is actually a pleasant surprise for us. We have been known during our lifetimes for so many governmental delays, and I must congratulate whosoever is responsible, CBSE, NCERT, all these things, the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, they are absolutely, they must be congratulated on that. That's a very, very good step, getting the students out of anxiety, fear of unknown. Very, very important.
So next question, exactly changes क्या है? If you can quickly run through हर एक यूनिट में quickly, if you can run through them in a quick 2-minute thing, exactly changes बता दीजिए, क्या क्या changes हुए हैं सर?
देखिए, मैं थोड़ा सा आपको बायोलॉजी के बारे में ज्यादा बता पाऊंगा, मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट एवरीथिंग. लेकिन जब मैं बायोलॉजी के सिलेबस में चेंजेस देखा तो देखिए, द टाइम अवेलेबिलिटी इज अ क्रिटिकल फैक्टर. आप कब से क्लासरूम शुरू कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि शुरू में जब आपने ये जो ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम करना शुरू किया, प्रोबेबली इट वाज हाफ कुक्ड, पीपल वर नॉट रेडी, बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यू उसमें डिलीवर नहीं कर पाई. हालांकि टेक्नोलॉजी से जबरदस्त काम किया जा सकता है, लेकिन पीपल गेट यूज्ड टू इट. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ लैग फेज. So availability of time के हिसाब से they have calculated that around 30% reduction is needed, and more or less they have achieved that in biology. To give you an example, 5 chapters in class 12 have been removed. So entire 5 chapters would, which out of 16, that would roughly translate to 30% of the number of the chapters. Correct. But if you look at the number of the pages, that would be around 20 to 23%, because they had to take care of the core or the basic theme. They cannot take away the learning aspect of the education out of just for the sake of reducing the syllabus.
Sure.
So it has been done. It has been done, and they have been they have hit the bullseye, no doubt about it.
तो लार्जली स्पीकिंग देखा जाए 11th के अंदर एनाटॉमी इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन, कॉकरोच वाला जो पोर्शन था वो, ट्रांसपोर्ट इन प्लांट्स एंड मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन पूरा हटा दिया गया, और बाकी जगहों पे भी रिडक्शन है, राइट?
रिडक्शन है, और बीच में एक मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन,
करेक्ट.
मिनरल न्यूट्रिशन. प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी has got the eggs basically.
Okay. तो सर मुझे एक चीज बताइए, I don't know if this is a politically correct question or not, but we who are part of a student's educational journey, are you happy with the changes? मुझे पता है आपको, whenever you are teaching a chapter, you would almost always use this line, the core theme of biology starts with evolution, right? और evolution को हटा दिया गया है.
देखिए, मैं just if you allow me, then I will read from the ethos that they have given actually.
Correct.
So you must have seen the articles in, say for example, this is in Times of India, where they have given the revised syllabus about biology, and what they say is there are few things. The format of curriculum allows a simple, clear, sequential flow of concept. It relates the study of biology to real life. Before that, it says the commonness of the living organisms. The curriculum aims at emphasizing the underlying principles that are common to animal, plants, and microorganisms. So, which means that they could have included evolution. Actually, they should have. I would go to the extent they must include evolution, because that is the great unifying theme of biology. You ask any biologist, what is the first concept that you would like the student to understand to make any sense in biology? That would be evolution. So if they are listening to it, and if they think that it is prudent, it is pragmatic, because they have removed the evolutionary aspect in class 9 syllabus as well. So that means student reaches graduation level without understanding evolution. And Theodorus Dobzhansky, one of my favorite quotes in biology, used to say that nothing in biology makes sense except in light of evolution. So when you are teaching the diversity of the life, why not give the biological basis of classification? It can be amalgamated there. So that means when you are teaching genetics, there has to be, how do you explain the occurrence of the antibiotic resistance bacteria? Say, for example, a lot of concepts in ecology will be from evolution. So everything makes sense. Why human beings eliminate urea rather than ammonia? What is the evolutionary advantage of that? So otherwise, if you are reading, say for example, in plants, alternation of generation, what is reduction of gametophyte? Heterophyly leading to seed habit formation. And what Darwin said, a mystery about the angiosperms, that how they suddenly flourished, and how the evolution of flower actually led to the predominance of the angiosperm. So all these interesting aspects now have been taken away, because the evolution, that is only of the two lacunae that I found in this particular change syllabus.
सर, पर मुझे एक चीज बताइए, व्हाट अबाउट एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज आज जो हम अपने आसपास देख रहे हैं?
You have taken my words actually when I said that this is one of the two things, because if you look at that paragraph, just before the revised syllabus, they have written a paragraph. Somebody has written it very beautifully, and sometimes I wonder whether the person who has written it and the person who has cut the syllabus are the same or not, because he says about environment 3 or 4 times in that. Correct. The students must be aware of the change in the environment. Can you imagine? The environmental issues? We are not teaching global warming, greenhouse effect, the ozone depletion, deforestation, the salination, the marshy lands that are because of the global warming. We are not teaching air pollution. Air pollution is becoming a big killer of the mankind, and the students will not be aware of it. What exactly is happening? So this is the relevance of biology in today's life, and this is what they actually say. They say that we want the biology to be relevant to the everyday life, and they quoted environment 3 or 4 times, and they have removed environment. That defies logic for me. It's very easy to criticize. Every fool can criticize, and every fool does. No doubt about it. But I am not criticizing. I am just giving a suggestion that these 2 core themes must find place. Please do a little bit of cosmetic surgery and at least a bit of Darwinian evolution concept, so that we are able to teach diversity well. We are able to teach the development of the systems in the physiology, how it has evolved. We are able to teach better the Human Genome Project, etc. We are able to teach better the environmental issues and related to the evolutionary aspects of it, so that it makes sense to the student. Otherwise, the student will think that it is only rote learning. There is nothing that unifies everything, and you just keep on mugging it up. That is what should be done actually.
सर, एक चीज का डिस्क्लेमर कर देते हैं, अभी तक इस चीज का क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि ये जो सिलेबस स्कूल करिकुलम में रिड्यूस किया गया है, this also means the same is applicable in NEET exam as well. That clarification or that confirmation still has to come from NTA. पर मुझे एक चीज जरूर बताइए, मेरा जरूर ऐसा मानना है कि स्कूल करिकुलम और एग्जाम का करिकुलम जो इस समय पे फिलॉसफी है उसके हिसाब से सेम होना चाहिए, बट दैट कॉन्फर्मेशन हैज टू कम. पर ये चीज बताइए, ये 2 चैप्टर ऐड करते हैं, आप कह रहे हैं जो आपने किया है अच्छी बात है, यदि आप अभी भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, एवोल्यूशन और एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज को ले लीजिए, क्या हटाए बदले में टू मेक श्योर दैट 33% रिडक्शन है उसको ऑनर किया जा सके? क्या एडिशनल हटाए?
तो मेरे ख्याल से आई मे बी रॉन्ग अराउंड द टाइमलाइन, बट समथिंग हैपेंड अराउंड 2006.
करेक्ट, 2006 में लास्ट एनसीईआरटी चेंज हुआ था.
NCERT biology was changed. So if you look at the previous NCERT, they used to teach evolution in the very beginning of the course. So my idea would be that along with diversity, you give the evolutionary aspect. Because in class 9th, if you look at the 9th NCERT, there is a topic in the diversity chapter where it says the evolutionary basis of classification. Why the basis of classification should be evolutionary, and why classification will make sense only in the only in the light of evolution. So
Right.
this is where they must actually. So I'm not saying you add a chapter. I am saying that you actually say, for example, amalgamate it with the basic diversity of the life, because you can easily teach diversity if the student understands evolution. So number 2, say for example, you have removed the plant growth and development chapter. So plant growth and development, entirely everything is reduced. The most important things being growth, differentiation, de-differentiation, differentiation, the phenotypic plasticity, photoperiodism, vernalization. They are very, very important concepts. So for the time being, if it is required right now, so we could remove, say for example, even PGR, the names of the PGR and their functions. Similarly, the flower is duplicated. So you are teaching flower in morphology very correctly. Morphology now deals with only flower. That is very, very welcome step. But again, in plant reproduction, you are saying the structure of flower. That would be a repetition of the sort. Similarly, biomolecules tell you about nucleic acid, the structure of DNA and RNA, and that structure of DNA and RNA is again present in, say, for example, in class 12, in molecular basis of genetics. So the student, there would be a few lines just reminding what exactly the student has read in class 11 and carry forwards, because these are extraordinary times. This is how the things have to be. This is how the things have to be cosmetically changed. I think this will give them, obviously, the people, let me tell you very, very clearly, the entire Indian education system is primarily based on NCERT textbook. Am I right?
Correct.
So right from NTSC exam till the civil services exam, unless and until you have read NCERT well, you are not going to clear any entrance exam.
Correct.
And the team behind it is the best in the nation.
Correct. Correct.
And therefore, my humble submission is that a biologist should look into it, that without evolution, does it make sense? If it does not, can we accommodate, can we do some cutting, a little bit of cutting, and get these very, very important topic? You told environment. I told you so many things. Don't you think it is the most relevant topic today?
Sure.
A virus evolved, got mutated and became zoonotic and is carrying out the pandemic.
Correct.
We are living in because of that particular virus. This is an extraordinary circumstances. How do things evolve? How do we develop traits that will actually protect us against these particular virus? That is going to happen. That is going to happen. So this is what my humble submission would be, because I am requesting the best in this country, the best in the country. They have given us a pleasure writing the NCERT textbook, and it had been a great pleasure teaching the students what they have given to us.
So sir, to summarize, what you're also saying is 14 साल पहले लास्ट एनसीईआरटी का सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग हुआ था. ये वाला जो चेंज हो रहा है, इसको एक शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन चेंज की बजाय की तरह सोचने की जगह, इफ दिस कैन बी ट्रीटेड एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, एवोल्यूशन को डाइवर्सिटी के अराउंड क्लब किया जाए और एंड किया जाए एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज से, राइट? और कुछ और चीजों को सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया जाए, और जब हम फुल स्केल क्लासरूम टीचिंग पे ग्रेजुएट करें तो इन्हीं टॉपिक्स को फर्दर एनरिच किया जाए. This is what you're, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट लगेगा, and it is always difficult to go back क्योंकि there are communication issues. People will always pull up the old PDF file and say आपने तो ये कहा था, और उनको फिर आपको कम्युनिकेट करना पड़ता है, हमने 10 दिन के बाद कुछ और कहा था. But if we can swallow that bitter pill and if we can make this correction, you are very strongly, if I can say, it seems you want evolution and environmental issues to be there. It is absolutely heartbreaking right now.
So the Prime Minister of the nation says that there is an opportunity in adversity always. Am I right?
Correct. Correct.
So this is a catastrophe, I would say. This is the mankind is facing a real threat to its own existence. Am I right?
Correct. Correct.
And there is an opportunity to rationalize the things. Descent with modification is evolution. So which means this is giving us an opportunity to rationalize the thing. For God's sake, it has been 14 years. We cannot be static. Now is the time to introduce a thing that we want to carry on forwards, because in those 40 times, say for example, I'm telling you, the Human Genome Project, there are some point salient features given in it. So many things have changed over the 14 years.
Sure.
We are teaching them the data of 2000, say for example, 1 or 2 or even 3 or 4. So which means that it is not updated. That is not the correct picture of the exact findings of the Human Genome Project, though it is generalized. So this all revision needs to take place, because
Sure.
this is an evolving science.
Sure.
And now this is an opportunity where you can actually do it. And let us make use of this opportunity, de-stress the student. You have done very well by reducing the syllabus. Just rationalize it and tell them the most important things that they need to understand before they go at a graduate level.
All right, sir. So what I would do is, students, जब आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, हम यहाँ पे CBSE, NTA, MHRD से भी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. प्लीज कंसिडर दिस हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. वी नो आपको दिन के कम से कम 1 लाख सजेशन आते होंगे. Everyone would be criticizing whatever you do. This is a huge country. There would always be diversity of opinion. But please do consider the points that that Dr. Sharma has put forward in this video, if it is possible. And you are the best judge of if change is required, what is the mechanism to do that change. But we do believe, as explained in this video, there is an opportunity for change. जो स्टूडेंट्स ये देख रहे हैं, मैं उनसे रेकमेंड करूंगा कि इस वीडियो को आप रिस्पेक्टिव अथॉरिटीज, आप किसी को जानते हैं, उनके पास पहुंचाने की कोशिश करें. हम इसका एक सेपरेट ट्विटर हैंडल भी बनाएंगे और उसके थ्रू भी वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड रीच टू NTA, MHRD एंड CBSE. आप भी अपनी तरफ से इसको भेजिए, क्योंकि हमें बहुत दिल से लगता है एवोल्यूशन और एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज इन द लाइट ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट that CBSE has provided before they have listed down what are the changes. ये जो ऊपर लाइनें लिखी हुई हैं और जो changes हैं, ये आपस में synchronize नहीं है. Please do share this video. ये important है कि ये change ना होने पाए. आप यदि अमेरिका में देखेंगे क्यों evolution नहीं पढ़ाया जाता बहुत सारी जगहों पे, वो वाला constraint इंडिया के ऊपर नहीं है. क्यों ये हुआ है नहीं समझ में आ रहा. जो ethos है वो changes में captured नहीं है. We strongly recommend through this video कि please reconsider this. Dr. Sharma, any final word?
So now the NTA should give its opinion about the change in the syllabus for the entrance exam as soon as possible, because that will reduce the anxiety for many students who are actually studying for the NEET entrance exam as well. Right. So the sooner the better it is clarified, because there is a very unique situation for the students who have done actually 11th and are now in class 12th and have read class 11th entirely.
Correct.
So what they are supposed to appear in the entrance exam.
Correct.
So because you have changed it from the class 9, so would it be for the next 4 or 5 years? Correct. So all these things, they must be clarified as early as possible, as they have rightly done in the case of the CBSE reduction of syllabus. And secondly, I would advise the entrance students, even if it is not there, please read both these issues on your own, because that will help you study and understand the remaining things in biology. No doubt about it.
Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure talking to you as always, and hopefully if we are able to have a voice in terms of having raised this issue, it is considered, and then they come to a consideration again. I think the purpose of this video would be served.
This is not a criticism. This is not a criticism. This is basically because they have done a wonderful job. I told in the beginning, because it was not an easy job. You cannot please everyone. You cannot please everyone. Correct. And it cannot be my way or highway. Correct. It cannot be that thinking. So when we are living in a world, I have given a particular submission. Is it worth considering? They must consider it. If it is, then it will be magnanimity on their part to actually do a little bit of cosmetic changes.
Thank you very much.